How to print ChatGPT conversation. If there is a certain conversation within ChatGPT that you would like to print, ChatGPT itself does not provide us a feature to print, but there are a couple of steps we can take. Right-click on the conversation that you want to print and first select Open in Reading Mode. When you select Open in Reading Mode, it will open up in a much more clearer format, which is likely readable. So you can choose to go ahead and then copy everything that ChatGPT has over there. Once you copy it, you can go to any Word app or Docs app where you can save it as a PDF and print it. Here I went to Google Docs. I will select blank document and I'll simply paste the conversation that I had with ChatGPT over here. Once I have the conversation here, I can click the file icon from the top left. Then I can first of all make sure to simply save it. So I can go to download and download as a PDF. Then I can go ahead and then print that PDF. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.